How to recharge and rejuvenate your raised garden beds. Are your raised garden beds losing their magic? Reviving them can boost your crops and increase yields. Stick around as we share the ultimate guide to recharging your garden beds to give your plants the healthiest restart yet. First, clear out old plant debris and weeds from your beds. This opens up space for fresh growth and eliminates hidden pests or diseases. A clean slate ensures you're providing the best conditions for your plants to thrive. Next, don't skip aerating the soil. Loosen compacted soil using a garden fork or tiller. Aeration allows water and nutrients to flow freely, giving your seeds the perfect bed to grow strong roots. Healthy soil equals healthier plants. Replenish your garden beds by mixing in compost, manure, or worm castings. These organic materials are rich in nutrients and bring your soil back to life. Need an extra boost? Add organic fertilizers tailored to your garden's needs. From nitrogen for lush leaves to potassium for robust fruits, the right balance will supercharge your plant's growth. Tired soil leads to tired plants. Practice crop rotation by planting different vegetables each season. This prevents nutrient exhaustion and keeps your soil ecosystem balanced. Don't forget to mulch. A layer of mulch locks in moisture, protects roots, and adds nutrients as it decomposes. Plus, it keeps those pesky weeds at bay while looking great. Is your soil ready for action? Test its pH level to ensure it's in the sweet spot for your plants, usually between 6.0 and 7.5. If your soil is too acidic or alkaline, adjust it with lime or sulfur to balance it out. Invest in a quality soil test kit to assess its nutrient levels. Knowing exactly what your soil needs lets you tailor your amendments, saving time and effort while boosting your results. Soil isn't just dirt, it's alive with microbes. Add beneficial microorganisms like mycorrhizal fungi to enrich your soil's biodiversity. These tiny helpers improve nutrient uptake and foster plant health. For a natural touch, grow cover crops like clover during the off-season. They rebuild soil structure, add nitrogen, and prevent erosion, making your garden beds stronger for years to come. Rejuvenating your raised garden beds isn't a one-time job. Prepare your beds each spring or between growing seasons if succession cropping by adding fresh compost and re-loosening the soil. In summer, regularly water and replenish mulch to protect plants from heat stress. As fall rolls in, clear out dying plants and prepare beds for winter with an insulating mulch layer. This ensures your garden beds rest well and wake up fertile for the next planting cycle. Grab your garden gloves and get started on rejuvenating your raised garden beds today. Following these simple steps will bring new life to your soil, double your harvest, and make gardening more rewarding than ever. Don't wait. Revitalize your garden beds now and watch your plants thrive. Subscribe for more gardening tips and let's grow together.